Hello guys, welcome to this new YouTube video. I'm with my friend called Tahana. We are going to be testing out the best tornado games. We're going to be playing this is Mini Tornadoes 2. Going to be playing Helicity, Twister X, and Twisted. Say hi, Tahana. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's the tornado? Is this tornado cloud? How do I play this?
You gotta go to the car thing on the side.
Wait, we can get anything we want? Ooh.
God.
Yeah. Can equip Tiv too. Why can't I get it? Oh.
Wait, which car do you have?
Driving in my car right over. Where is... Oh, I see the tornado. This game's kinda good. Do I have my headlights on or off? I have it on now. So far, I rate this game pretty fun, like a 4, 5, 6 out of 10. Double tornado! Wait, is that rare?
I think so. Yeah, that's definitely rare.
Wait. Is that gonna be Dead Man Walking? 156 miles.
No,
I'm going in the one that looks stronger. I'm driving into it. Deploy. Oh. This is strong. I'm in the tornado. Oh, I need to drive. Need to drive away. No. No, I'm about to die.
Wait, how strong is it?
It's 130 miles per hour. Wait, how do I earn money?
You need to get 30 intercepts or you need to get a strong tornado.
What you do?
Yeah. Did it?
No, I did not get the intercept. Because
You need,
how do I deploy? How do I deploy onto the ground?
Jesus.
I'm in the Ford. I'm in the truck thing. Is that a fire tornado? Oh.
But there's a thing that 179 up in the... Come on. Yeah, run straight.
Go, run. 3. That's rare. That has to be rare. Bro, this one is going 180. Yeah? I don't even know how to buy another car.
So you go where you got the truck.
Wait, I'm intercepting. Yep, I'm dead. Yeah, I accidentally went Yes! I'm deployed! No, I need to run. Which one's the strongest? Okay, I can go to that 51 miles per hour one. Bro, the other one over there is strong as hell. Oh. Bro, there's 2 stronger tornadoes. There's another tornado!
No, there's still only 3. So that one and this other one heading straight for me.
No, there's another one coming. 208 miles per hour.
Wait, 200.
208, yeah.
If it hits 250, you can get the tip too.
Like it says 188 to 212. Oh no. Oh no, I'm on only outer winds and it's like so strong.
Oh shoot! I'm close.
How do I deploy?
See that?
Yeah, but I'm still moving and it says active.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? I'm going in front of this tornado. I might be cooked too.
Yeah.
Go behind the house. I'm stuck between two houses.
Why? And then you could
No! These winds are way too crazy. 213, 201. 100! I'm getting 100.
Oh, but the tornado attack like hard. More tornado attack. Oh, boy.
Oh, it's slowing down, yes. Finally get a good intercept on this. Go inside of this tornado.
Wait. Yeah, so if you want to do concert, die, then you gotta go to
I'm trying to die, but this tornado is not killing me.
It's not easy.
Is this tornado even strong? I'm like right in its way. Oh yeah, it's not strong. I need another tornado to kill me.
You go from
That tornado's not strong. It can't kill me. Oh, tornado. This one can kill me.
How about I am the giant? No, no. Where are you from?
I'm driving towards it. I can see you.
Yeah, you know you can just die.
No, I want to die from a tornado though. Let's see how fast this one is. 154 to 174.
I'm in the tornado. In the tornado.
Okay, I'm going inside.
Wait, so
Yep, I'm inside. Up, I died?
died?
Yeah.
Wait, if you see that top one on the side,
Yeah, what about it?
press on it, and then press on 52.
What about it?
You can get in the tip 2.
No, it's not letting me.
Or you can get tip 1.
I haven't went in a 50 miles per hour tornado.
Wait, so go down.
40 miles per hour.
Wait, get on 3, then.
I can't. I haven't went in a 50 miles per hour tornado.
On 3.
This tornado ain't even strong.
We're going to the next.
I need a 51.
Okay.
Like, is there anything that can give me a 50?
Yeah, but I went in the 500 miles per hour. After that moment.
Okay, where is a 50 miles per hour tornado? Because we need to leave this soon. Because we're gonna head on to Twisted. Then we're gonna head on to Helicity.
Twisted.
No, yeah, we're gonna do Twisted, then Helicity. I like Helicity or Twisted. I don't know. Is there any tornadoes?
Yeah. I see the corner. No. Wait up. I see you.
Can you read my tornado?
Wait, there's gonna be a tornado any second right now. This is a pretty big storm. No.
No. So this is just gonna be one whole entire video. Then we're gonna do as Twisted. Then we're gonna make a video about Helicity and rating them. You wanna end the video now?
Yeah, end it.
Okay. Guys, me and Tahana are going to rate this. What do you rate it, Tahana?
7.5.
I rate it like a 6.7.
Why you say that?
6, 7. Nah, I hate 6, 7. 6.8 or 7. Yeah, 7. So guys, see ya in the next video. Bye bye. Come here, Tahana. You're gonna say bye as well.
Bye.
What are you doing behind me?
I don't have the shirt on.
Why do you not have a shirt on? Well, see ya, guys.